Now let's look at the advantages and disadvantages of sexual reproduction. The advantages include that it increases genetic variation among offspring, allowing species to adapt to new environments and enhancing their chances of survival. It also reduces the likelihood that a disease will wipe out the entire population. In crop plants, sexual reproduction introduces variation, which can lead to plants that are better able to withstand environmental changes or produce higher yields. And the disadvantages include that it requires time and energy to find a mate, making reproduction difficult for isolated individuals. Sometimes the genetic variation may result in offspring that are less successful than their parents in terms of growth or crop yield. From this table, we can clearly see the advantages and disadvantages of sexual reproduction. The advantages include that variation in offspring allows them to adapt to changing or new environments, increasing the chances of survival for the species. New varieties may be produced, some of which can be resistant to disease. Sexual reproduction increases genetic variation, enabling the species to adapt and thrive in different conditions. Disease is less likely to affect the population because of this variation. Whereas, the disadvantages are that usually two parents are needed, though some plants can self-pollinate. Growing a new plant from a seed to maturity is a slow process. Finding a mate requires time and energy, making reproduction difficult for isolated individuals. However, in plants, seeds allow dispersal away from the parent, which reduces competition among offspring. So, that wraps up Unit 16.2 on Asexual and Sexual Reproduction. Be sure to go through the notes linked below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.